Welcome to Glow and Grow Mama. This is a space dedicated to nurturing you through the incredible journey of motherhood. Motherhood is beautiful, a tapestry woven with moments of pure joy and profound connection. It's also messy, filled with unexpected challenges and a whole lot of learning as you go. And deeply transformative, a period of immense growth and self-discovery. But it's easy to lose yourself in the process, to feel overwhelmed by the demands of caring for a new life. Today, I'm sharing 7 holistic healing tips, simple yet powerful practices, to help you recover after birth, gently, naturally, and with love, honoring your body's wisdom. Let's dive in and help you feel more like yourself again, revitalized and ready to embrace this chapter. The foundation of postpartum healing is rest, profound and restorative rest. It's the cornerstone upon which everything else is built. Give yourself permission to truly rest without guilt or reservation. Embrace this time as sacred for your recovery. Even if chores wait, and they most certainly can. The dishes, the laundry, the endless to-do list, it can all wait. Your healing is the priority. Hydrate constantly. Keep water nearby, always within reach, to support healing, milk production, and sustained energy levels. Nourish yourself deeply with warm, comforting foods like broths, soups, and stews. These are gentle on your system and packed with goodness. Think nutrients, not diets. Focus on fueling your body with wholesome, nourishing ingredients that support recovery and well-being. These simple practices aren't extra tasks or luxuries to squeeze in. They're the gentle rhythm your body craves and needs, the essential support for your journey back to strength. Honor your body's incredible work by giving it precisely what it needs to heal, replenish, and thrive during this transformative time. Recovery truly starts with these fundamental basics. Postpartum hormones can leave you drained. Support your body with intentional rest. Even a few quiet minutes in a dark room or a calming bedtime ritual can help. Manage stress with tiny moments. Step outside, breathe deeply, or play calming music. These small acts help restore balance and energy. Gentle herbs can be powerful allies. Red raspberry leaf tea supports uterine healing. Nettle boosts iron and energy. Chamomile calms and aids sleep. Always check with your healthcare provider before starting new herbs. Brewing a cup is a simple act of self-care. Self-care doesn't have to be elaborate or time-consuming. It doesn't require a spa day or a weekend getaway. Instead, focus on micro-habits that you can easily incorporate into your daily life. These small acts of self-compassion can make a big difference. Try a threshold breath every time you walk through a doorway, a simple way to reset your mind. As you walk through, inhale calm, filling your lungs with peace, and exhale stress, releasing any tension you might be holding. A quick skincare ritual, even just a few moments, can be a powerful act of self-love. Or massaging lotion into your hands, paying attention to the sensation and scent, can ground you in the present moment. These tiny moments remind you that you're worthy of care and attention, no matter how busy you are. Anchor your day with simple restorative acts that nourish your mind, body, and soul. When ready, gentle movement can be deeply healing. Start with slow walks or gentle stretching. No pressure, just presence. Notice your body, breathe, and reconnect with your strength. Postpartum yoga or simple stretches help release tension and rebuild connection. Move to feel good, not to bounce back. You're not meant to do this alone. Ask for help and accept it. Be specific with requests and let friends or family support you. Connect with other moms, online or in person, for shared understanding. Community brings validation and comfort. Remember, you're part of a strong, supportive tapestry of mothers. Care for your mind and spirit as much as your body. Journal a few lines each night. Practice a minute of mindful breathing, and list 3 things you're grateful for. These habits bring clarity, presence, and a sense of peace. Make space for both the challenges and the beauty. Thank you for joining me at Glow and Grow Mama. I hope you feel seen, supported, and inspired to nurture yourself. Your journey is unique. Be gentle and celebrate your transformation. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share with another mama. Until next time, take good care.